Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be finding out what this weekend has for us in store. It's going to be an interesting weekend because we have been pretty sideways, upside, downside. Market has had all kind of flavors to it for now. Want to see into DXY, still pumping hard, still going at 100, so inflation is going to be still on the higher side. We look into USDT's dominance, still going to be at higher side as well, hitting about at 4.47%. So that's still pretty high. We wanted it to come down, especially on daily time frames. We are making a beautiful cup and handle. If this cup and handle does break above, obviously it's going to come back into a trend position, which is not going to be ideal for us, but we can't do pretty much anything about it for now. Look into others dominance as well, especially on the daily time frames, has just been consolidating in these zones for now. Not much action going, just been in this range bound for now. So that's all right too. We had to break above 41k for BTC to become very bullish, especially on the daily time frames, but we have failed to do so. We are just still trading in the range that we have been in, which is about just 41,300 to 39,800, 39,700. So we needed to break that, but we have failed to break in that. That is another sign for us to be concerned about. Now the option expiry goes towards the bears. Bears are going to be the winning party this week. So that's something to watch out for as well. We want to see what's happening on ETH. ETH is also in a similar range bound situation compared to BTC. We are trading between the ranges of $3,150 to about $2,955. So just been range bound in between these zones for now. Not much action coming or going. Again, similar situation just like BTC. It's more in control of the bears right now than the bulls. So that's another sign and concern for us that we have to watch out for. Overall, we look at the market sentiments. AX is performing okay. We just had XRP having a massive upside, about 6% upside, but that's pretty normal because there's a lot of news about it for the case and a lot of other things going on also with SEC and XRP in the small and short term right now. Bubbles are pretty much mixed, especially on the hourly time frames. We are having some big upsides, some small downsides in some coins, and overall not much big action going on for us to be really excited about. Just been consolidating and pretty sideways in these ranges. Now we want to see what is happening on our fear. Oh no, we are again back into extreme fear levels. We are back in 22. We want to see what is happening on long and short ratios. We are about 54%, 0.52% long in 24 hours, and about in 1 hour we have 55 to 44%. So that's okay. That's pretty even Steven still for us. Now we want to see in long and short ratio block trades. We are 50%, about 24 hours long positions. In 1 hour we have a lot of short positions, which is about 56 to 43%. So that's all right. That's quite even similar here in long and short ratio, global data, and also in block trades. So that is something interesting to see for us right now. We want to see popular coins, market sentiment neutral for BTC, funding rate is positive, Ethereum neutral, funding rate is positive. That is the major signs for us to see in the market. That is very good. Though Filecoin is at a buy signal in market sentiment, so if you do want to buy, that's your own decision to buy. I don't really like Filecoin. I would prefer AR over Filecoin because I just like AR a lot more because it's blockchain based, and Filecoin has been there in the market for such a long time but never has done anything big for us to be like, wow, oh my god, Filecoin has done it. Next then we have startup. Startup is in progress right now. We have culled out the progress. The purpose of cult is to empower the fund, those building and contributing to our decentralized future. Then we have blockchain brawlers created by Wax Game Studios. Blockchain brawlers is a road-release play to earn game in the metaverse. So like I always say, if there's a play to earn game, you have to ape into it because these are going to be the future for us in the next few years to come. So you have to get into this. This is going to be in preheat in 1 day, about 102 hours. This one gun is going to be coming in 20 hours. So it's your choice if you want to get in both of them or you just want to get in blockchain brawlers. I would highly advise blockchain brawlers because it's going to be something very big to watch out for. Next we have in store is NYM. I think just started. It's up about 800% right now. We still have bubble form going up massively, still up about 700 to 800%. And we also had multi-chain is still up about 775%. So all the coins in the short and long term have been performing really well. Like I always say, just click in the link given in the description below, join gate.io today so you can get these big massive gains, 500% to about 5,000% that we have seen in the last month. And if you want to miss out on it, there's not much we can do about it. So if you want to get into these, this is going to be an interesting phase for everybody. And now we can see just the first candle just started just pumping hard, started at about 0.27 and has gone all the way to 2.98. So that is a massive upside coming in NYM. We did discuss NYM is going to be a massive upside coin because it's a utility based coin, and all utility based coins do have this big upsides that usually come. So you can get into any of them that you would suggest, but highly the next one we're going to be having is blockchain brawlers and Curl. So it's up to you which one you want to invest in, or both of them, however you like to have. We have a lot of news for us today. So MicroStrategy shareholder letter will vigorously pursue more BTC buys. MicroStrategy will not be taking a break from buying and holding Bitcoin anytime soon, according to a letter to investors from the company's CEO, Michael Saylor. So you have to watch out for this one. Michael Saylor just can't take it that Duocon has been buying everything and he's been left out. The next news we have is bears control Bitcoin price, but traders say that 40K zone is still good for longs. 40,000 remains a hurdle for BTC price, but traders still agree that the current range is a zone for accumulation. Like we have seen, it is somewhere that we've been in a range bound situation for now. The next news we have is Bitcoin bulls need to reclaim 41K ahead of Friday's 615 million BTC option expiries. BTC stacked small relief rally, but securing 41K is the key to determining whether or not current sell-off has ended. So that is something we can see in the charts that we're nowhere close to it right now. We're still trading in 40,000, below $41,000, and even ETH is below 3,100. So we are way off the prediction that we have seen here. So obviously we're going to be having bears in control for the short and medium term right now. Next news, all over the world, everywhere we can hear is Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter. Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter. So that one is going all around the world right now. Everybody's very, very bullish about that one. But I don't think or see him buying it, and I wouldn't advise him either, because you don't want to have too many millionaires getting into social medias, because we already have Jeff Bezos owning some of newspapers like Huffington Post and others as well. And he already kind of controls the news around him. So I'm not really sure how many people and what people think about this. So do share your thoughts in the comment section so we do understand what everybody on our channel thinks about this massive news about Elon Musk wants to buy the whole Twitter and make it into a private company. He also says Musk wanted to limit spam and scam bots on Twitter. So there's a lot of things that he is suggesting, but we never know. Hopefully there's a big chance that he won't able to get this. And I wouldn't want him to get into something that has not much to do with him right now, especially why would he want to get into social media company when he already has SpaceX, when he already is now the largest shareholder in Twitter, when he has the Boring Company, when he has Tesla, then he also has Dogecoin, he has Shipcoin. So he has so many different businesses. Doesn't really make sense. Maybe there's something that he sees that we don't see, and that's the reason probably he wants to get into that. Now, if we come back into the charts, just have a look at what we can expect from the market. Overall, we have seen that some coins have been performing really well, while crypto bubbles do suggest us there's not much action right now in the market. So overall, my suggestion would always be, don't force into trades. Just wait for the market to give us some kind of a clear breakout, some kind of clear upside before we can decide that we should get into some kind of trade. Because even if we look into ETH, the mother of all altcoins, momentum is coming down, especially on the daily time frames. I've zoomed out a bit myself from 4 hours, because market is just not having any kind of big action right now. So just zooming in and waiting for that big move to be coming wouldn't be a good idea. So overall, we just have to wait, check, see off today. Maybe later in the day when the Western countries wake up, we might have some kind of an upside. But ideally for me, I'm waiting for 42,500 or 42 range to be somehow broken, that for me to feel very, very bullish right now in a market like this. Because anything is possible, we don't want to have a scenario where we feel like we are in a very bullish situation but we don't have any big upsides, because we are still in accumulation zone. If you want to see here, we're just sitting exactly on my accumulation line. So every time we week below, a lot of DC orders would be happening right now. Even if you want to see in ETH as well, ETH is by far very, very far from its accumulation zone, but still it is pretty sideways now in the range. Also on the daily time frames, we are sort of making another bear flag. So it would be ideal for us to just wait out and see out this period right now before forcing ourselves in any kind of trades. Even if you want to see in a higher price structure chart where we can see this was our lower low, then we had a higher high, then we had a higher low, then we had another higher high. So I do expect maybe some kind of movement to be coming on this kind of trend line. If not, maybe then we need to have a clear breakout above at least the previous higher high to make ourselves feel a lot more bullish right now in this market. Even if we see BTC, right? So BTC, we also had a lower low here, then we had a higher high, then we had a higher low, then we had another higher high. Looks a lot closer compared to ETH on its weekly uptrend line here, but overall we can expect it to also maybe come back here, retest this zone before having clear upside, or maybe just have a bounce from here. While ciphers do suggest we should come back in the 42,000 range, but sometimes market needs that big volume to be coming in. And if you see the volume charts below, we are having an even Steven volume, while when we have a big buying, we also have big selling. So we are stuck in some kind of range bound situation right now. We need to just figure out, get out of this range bound scenario so we can have some kind of clear upsides. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's what keeps you motivated. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with an NFT show. I hope you do tune in for that one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.